Hello, my name is Abdullah Bhatt. I chose Burberry for the ESG practices assessment. What does ESG stand for? ESG is the environmental, social, and governance. So let's have an introduction about it. Why ESG is important? It plays a crucial part for the safeguarding brand integrity and living up to changing the consumer's expectation in the area of luxurious fashion. So let's have a definition. It's a holistic system include environmental, social, ethics, and the proper governance at work. So all of the industry brand must follow the ESG to have like environmental effect, social effect, and the governance as well. So what's the purpose to choose the Burberry? So Burberry is fully absorb these ESG principles. We aim to evaluate the Burberry sustainability, consistency with the trademark, and eventual client response. Let's have the overview of Burberry. In 1856, Burberry household modern luxurious fashion was famous for its iconic coat, unique checkerboards, and patterned side switch made quality. And then, if we will talk about the businesses of the Burberry in 2021 to 2022, its official year's sales of over 2.63 billion. Burberry and Asian outlets on the site and its European shop essentially serve customers for the wealthy consumer group of these places worldwide position in the luxurious market. Burberry is one of the giants of the luxurious fashion worldwide. It's the synonym with the heritage, innovation, and the profound respect for the craftsmanship at the environment. Now we will talk about the target market analysis. Burberry market is pursued by some of the regular reaching people who like the luxurious style and agile taste of at the end of the set line. Its client is grazing consumer who request only the best high quality workmanship and desirable design features. The importance of the luxurious brand of the consumer is becoming clear year by year. There is an increase on the trend of the people towards to make the ethical and kind of purchase to the world ecosphere. According to one of the surveys, 65% of the luxurious consumer shoppers worldwide said that operating sustainability was an important factor in their purchase choices. Growing demand for sustainable luxurious products reflects the shift towards the green practices in luxurious brands sweeping through the industry now sweeping the globe. Said by the Catred. Now we will discuss about the environmental analysis. So review of the environmental practices. Burberry is involved in recycling initiative to reduce its own waste and thus preserve the environment. Burberry has employed clean energy sources and technologically sophisticated building materials to reduce the carbon dioxide emission. To reduce waste and rescue material in the effort to create more sustainable fashion industry future, the company recycled its leather waste and turned into the high-ended accessory with the partners who share with the vision of environmental protection. Burberry practice include environmentally friendly material sourcing support for their trade, cotton, cultivative, and the sustainable method in awarding leather production contracts. Let's have a social analysis. As a social responsibility, Burberry is active in a number of initiatives that fosters variety, balance, and inclusion, and also ensure the labor practices are ethical and the supply chain has its ethics intact too. Injecting variety and bringing indigenous people into the modern economy, the company has made much effort operating a number of through-going diversity programs throughout the organization and its supply chain, aiming for the equal opportunities for all. On an annual basis, the company will conduct the audits of its supplier to ensure their compliance with the labor standard and ethical sourcing practices such as keeping factory conditions conducive to work and providing decent pay for work. Mafia and Asian origin. In hope of this sharing his good fortune with others, Burberry mainly supports education and empowerment programs like Learning for Life, along with the various programs aimed at the entire culture. Patent technologies are being converted into the patent ones. Then we will have the governance analysis. The board of Burberry is composed of individuals who bring varied perspective and who bear the collective responsibility for settled corporate strategy as well as supervision direction. There are also in which other members reckon motiveless gains related to their performance without affecting the shareholders' interest. Burberry strictly follows the regulatory standards and the rules of financial practices, which is equivalent to submitting its result for the independent audit checks. Burberry has put in place policies and mechanisms to prevent any potential conflict of the interest, promoting not just the director opposed to the collusion among the benefactors, employees, or other. Conclusion: Burberry ESG related activities indicate that the brand has long been committed to the sustainability, socially responsible operating principle, and a clear focus on the good governance. The report highlights a very close link between Burberry ESG strategy and the demands of its increasingly sophisticated customer who strictly follow the ESG principle but also have growing ethical concerns about the luxurious brand and how it is produced. Then we will discuss about the recommendation for improvement. There's ideas for the future, enhancement, commitment to ESG initiatives, performance matrices, led the transparency in report, integrate supplier selection and procurement process with sustainability standards, invest in new materials or production technologies that are eco-friendly in some way. And there is a future focuses as well work with industry partners, internal and external shareholder, drive collectively sustainability effort together as a team through employee training programs, promote ESG best practices by increasing awareness, set clear objective and schedules for the achieving sustainability objective as well. Sustainability initiatives in a bit to reduce environmental destruction and ethical standard in a business. Burberry has initiated some environmental protection to practices. Burberry has usually environmentally friendly material in its line, such as organic cotton and recycled polyester. It also works with the related suppliers or organization committed to the maintaining the environment. Call for the future. According to such recommendation might include improving the level of public disclosure, building great awareness into the product development and procurement system, and actively communicating with the business partner whether or not they share Burberry ideas on sustainability. Thank you so much. This time from my side.